All pottied. You guys all good? The spread turned out really good. Do you want more soup?
Yeah, a little bit.
Addictive.
It's so hot.
I know, I warmed it back up.
Ooh.
I told you. It's warm. Super warm. Want some bread with it?
Can I take a piece of bread?
Mm-hmm. There you go. Hot boiled. Oh, so good. Okay. Chocolate crinkles. This has been so good. You have no idea. Nothing better than homemade vegetable soup. One of my son's favorites. One of my favorites. Of course, it's crinkle cuts. They'll go in these bins. They are for gifting. They're like the, I guess, the Entenmann's. A sugar-coated kind of crinkle chocolate with nuggets of chocolate in them. So these are really, really good. Super easy to make. I'm just getting the chocolate stuff out of the way first, and then I'll work on everything else. When you get down to sugar cookies and cutouts, and you really have to spread out. These are a little, I don't know, not as complicated for me. Anyway, this is really good. My son has eaten, I've eaten, dogs have gone out. My day is done. Signing off. Jules Kitchen. See ya.